today we are here at the Panjim bus stand, and you can see the youth have come out, and in support we've got a lot of locals also who have come out because corruption at your doorstep by the BJP Goa government. We can see here all the youth from north and south have come together. We have Hansel with us, we have Pujan from Shiolin. Hansel, can you tell everyone why are we here again?
First of all,
after
yesterday's incident, this is to show the BJP government and to show the people we are not scared of anyone. How much you may try to suppress our voice or say anything to us or put any section, we are not ready to get scared, and we will raise our voice. And this is what we are doing it today. We have deliberately done it today to show that we are not getting scared of anyone, and we will come out. This is to tell the CM, you resign because of your corruption and what you have done and made the Goans to suffer. This is high time.
Thank you, Hansel. Pujan, what do you have to say?
After yesterday's incident, it's a terrible incident what happened yesterday. We were doing a peaceful protest. And then, as we all know what Satyapal Malik ji said, he said Goa government was involved in corruption. And when our Goan youth was jobless, didn't get jobs, the most of our people in the hospitals were gasping for oxygen, there was no proper beds, that was the time this government was filling their pockets. This protest is just to show we are not scared of anyone. We are here to raise our voices, to raise the voice of the common people. That's what Aam Aadmi Party stands for. And we are here for that. We are here to tell the CM you should resign.
Freedom of speech is what we all have. Yes, please.
नमस्कार, हांव रसेश. आयज तुमी काल जे घटना जाली आनी तेचे आयज आमी आयला हांगा ते कंडेम करपाक, कित्याक जे काल जालें तें सारकें जावंक ना अशें म्हाका दिसता. आमी फक्त विचारपाक गेल्ले, विचारपाक गेल्ले सीएमाक की जे तुवें जे करप्शन केलां तेची जाप विचारपाक गेल्ले. जे सत्यपाल मलिकान जे स्टेटमेंट दिलें तेजे आमी आझाद मैदानान आमी मोर्चा काडला आनी मागीर जाप विचारपाक आमी म्हणून गेले. पण तातूंत आमकां पुलिसेन आगासाय मेले, आमची सतवणूक केली आनी जी घटना जाली ती सारकी जावंक ना. हांव आतां विचारपाक सोदता सीएमाक, जे तूं 10,000 जॉब्स म्हणटा आनी रोड सारके करता, आतां इलेक्शन जेन्ना मुखार येता तेन्ना ही जुमलेबाजी कित्याक करता तूं? तुमचे 2017 सालाच्यान सरकार आहा, आतां तूं उदक फ्री दिता म्हणटा. जेन्ना आमी इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे काडटा तेन्ना उदक फ्री दिता म्हणटा. आतां 10,000 जॉब दिता म्हणटा. 10 वर्सां तुमची सरकार कितें न्हिदलेली आनी 4.5 वर्सां तुमची सरकार न्हिदलेली. एका म्हयन्यान तुमी सगळीं फोंडकुलां सारके करूं शकतात जाल्यार इतले जे एक्सिडंटान लोक मेले तेंचे कितें पयलीं कित्याक करूंक ना? पयलीं कित्याक करूंक ना? हेजे त्या क्वेश्चनाचे आन्सर दी. आनी तुमी जे कोविडाक इतले लोक मेले, मिसमॅनेजमेंट केले, तुमी कितें जालें जाल्यार ब्लेम गेम खेळटा, लोकांचेर धुकलतात. लोकांचेर कोरोना वाडलो म्हणटा लोकांक लागून जाले, रेप जाले, मर्डर जाले, तुमी म्हणटात कितें पेरंट्सान जबाबदारी घेवंक जाय. ब्लेम गेम खेळटा एवरी टायम. तुमी आतां करप्शन जेंचे तुमचेरूय जेन्ना घालतले तेन्नाय तुमी तेंच करतले, नाटकां करतले. तुमच्या कडेन आन्सर ना आनी आमी तुमकां जाप विचारपाक गेल्यार तुमी सद्या आम आदमी पार्टीक भियल्ले आसात. तुमच्या कडेन आन्सर कांय ना. तुमच्या कडेन दम आसा जाल्यार आन्सर दियात. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू.
येस, म्हजें नांव जोहन वेर्णेकर. काल आमी इतले पिसफुली पयर सत्यपाल नायक तेंचो जो तेणी तेंचे इंटरव्यूआन जे खूद एक BJPचे गव्हर्नर आशिल्ले गोंयच्या राज्याचे, तेणी एक स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो की जो करंट जो BJP गव्हर्नमेंट आसा तेणी कोविडाच्या हितून खूब लुटला, लोकांचे मरणाचेर तेणी पयशे केला. एंड नॉट जस्ट दॅट, तेणी म्हणलें गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या एक डिपार्टमेंटान तेंची चोऱ्यो चल्ल्या. हें तेणी म्हणलें. हेजेर आमी एक बारीकसो पिसफूल प्रोटेस्ट करपाक गेल्ले आझाद मैदानाचेर. आमी पावले थंय, आमी आमचें उलयले सगळें. मागीर आमी फक्त सीएमा घरा वचपा खातीर आमी भायर सरले तेन्ना तो आमकां डिटेन करून लॉफुली आमकां हाडून पुलीस स्टेशनार दवरला. आमकां सांगू ना कित्याक हाडला, आमचेर चार्जीस कितें आसा कांयच सांगू ना. आमकां दवरला. 5 जाली, 6 जाली, 9 जाली, 10 जाली, आमकां कोणाक खबर ना कित्या खातीर दवरला तें. फायनली आमकां रातची 2 वरांचेर तेणी भायर सोडला. हे कसलो कायदो? By law, if I'm arresting somebody, if you're detaining somebody, you should be telling them what is the reason.
Under what section
Under what section you are being held there. Nothing was told to us. We just kept there. And finally at 1 o'clock, they're like, go. So that is not wrong. So this is the reason, another reason why we have come here today is to show that we are not scared of you guys. We are done being scared of you guys. We are here. काल केली, आज परत येतले आणि जितलेपर्यंत तुम्ही सुधारना आणि जितलेपर्यंत आमकां आन्सर मेळना आणि CM रिजायन करना तितलेपर्यंत आमी हांगाच आसतले. दर दिसा येवन आमी हेच करतले जितलेपर्यंत तुमी सुदार.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
म्हजें नांव अनिकेत वायगणकर. काल आमी आझाद मैदानार आमी एक प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो. तो प्रोटेस्टाक आमच्या वांगडा थोडी बायल आसली, थोडी सिनियर सिटीजन आसली. पुलिसांनी आमकां लिटरली आमकां हेरेस केले. डायरेक्टली आमकां आगासायम पुलीस स्टेशनार येयले. हांगा लागीं पेणजीम पुलीस स्टेशन आसले, पर्वरीम पुलीस स्टेशन आसले, औरंगना. डायरेक्टली आगासायम पुलीस स्टेशन आयले आमकां. कित्याक? एनी आन्सर? नो. कित्याक? हांव तुमकां सांगता, BJP सरकार जो आसा आनी जो आमचो CM प्रमोद सावंत आसा तो आमकां इतलो भियाला की तेणी आमी बेगीन रिलीज जातले म्हणून डायरेक्ट आमकां आगासायम पुलीस स्टेशन आयले. सो म्हाजे कडसून एक सजेशन करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक. लेट्स क्लीन अप दीस गोवन पॉलिटिक्स. Let's clean up this corrupt politics. Let's bring up change this time. Let's bring up Aam Aadmi Party this time. Thank you.
And symbol is?
Jadu. Ami Jadu Maria.
Sir, तुका उलोवपाक जाय कितें?
ना.
You have to speak from what you have in your heart. कोणाक उलोवपाक जाय?
हे गज भाई तोरा बात करो.
कोणाक उलोवपाक जाय?
मातसो दी उडल्या कर. हे गज भाई.
So we are all here today after yesterday's incident because corruption is on a rise, and when the ex-governor has said clearly on national media that our government is corrupt, so don't you think there has to be an investigation and think where the corruption has gone, where the money has been spent in the name of COVID-19? Lot of things have happened bad. Lot of dear ones have died because of our irresponsible CM. Today, all the deaths that are, that have happened in Goa, they are responsible. The BJP government is responsible, and very much that they are to be taken to task. This is important because this is the need of the hour, where we have to tell the government that corruption has to end right now, because it's public funds that you all have used and you all have taken away lives of our dear ones. You have kept the borders open. Even after the second wave hit really hard, the door-to-door service that needed to be done also was not done. You all made people stand in line and make them feel like they were beggars for their own food. Even in Taligaon, the same thing has happened. There 300 people were waiting in line. I have a live recording of that, what happened during the first wave. You say door to door, but nothing happens that way. And it's a very sad situation that all of us are in. Today we have the youth over here who have come down, giving their time, because corruption is what they do not believe in. And we need to change that. We have to change and have good governance is what we need right now. And that's why requesting everyone, you have to make time, because this is our CM who is corrupt and he's not even ready to speak to anyone, any of the media people, as to what the ex-governor has to say. And it's really, really sad because he doesn't have answers. He knows he's looted Goa, he knows he's destroyed Goa, right from our roads, right from our medical centers, right from to our infrastructure, our education system, everything is in shambles. And when are we going to grow as a state? It's only with good governance. So people of Goa, we have to wake up, we have to unite, we have to give Aam Aadmi Party a chance, because we've seen clean governance, we've seen honest politics that's happening in Delhi for the common man. And we deserve it, because our population is just 18 lakhs in Goa. And in Delhi, their population is 2 crore. If they can get all these benefits, why can't we? And ours is a tourism state and it's not benefited at all. We do not have upliftment of the children, we do not have upliftment of the youth. The youth are just left behind. Today there's so much of unemployment that's happening. There is no transparency. Today you have to pay lakhs and lakhs of rupees to get any government job. This is the sad situation that we are living in Goa. Every household that you go, there are people who are unemployed. So time to wake up, people. We have got the youth who have spoken. They are making time, and it's time now for you to decide. All the youngsters who are there, you decide. Give Aam Aadmi Party an opportunity. And this is our symbol, the Jhadu. Okay? It's to clean the dirty politics. This power comes once in 5 years. Power of vote. Let's use it. because we are all not politicians, but we've got into the political scene because we are not happy with what's happening. And that's why we have the young, vibrant doctors, we have engineers, we have advocates, we have artists, we have everyone who are coming on board together just for one purpose. Because we want to see Goa get uplifted. We want to see Goa being saved from all this destruction that is happening in the name of development. So let's stop this nonsense and let's bring in clean governance. Thank you everyone, and please vote for Aam Aadmi Party.
Vada is good, bro.
Vada, Korea ka